Hello friends, today I will be telling about the rear suspension of the Interceptor 650. It has 5-point adjustment. For this you need your toolkit that comes with the bike. You have to take this SIBO stock adjustment that comes from the company is at the softest point. You have to put this C bar into this position so it's properly locked here. Then you have to push it to the other side. Here you can see the settings. Now it's at second point from the stock position. You have to do the same on the other side. The bike will feel more planted while cornering and while you are riding on the road. Thanks for watching.